I did change my order. Zeekr 7X all-wheel drive. I still want the Tesla Y. Hey guys, anyway, okay, I hope you can hear me. Anyway, so guys, if you read the title of this vlog, basically, I canceled my initial order. Kasi, I'll tell you while I'm driving. Sige, drive muna tayo. Off ko muna yung ilaw dito. Yeah, better. I hope you can see me. It's kind of dark. It's at night na. So, I decided to do this vlog. Basically to explain. Kasi guys, okay, let's start. I basically started, ordered the car end of November. November 28 yata to be exact. Online. So I decided to get my first EV, which is the Model 3 rear wheel drive, the pinaka basic guys, short range rear wheel drive, white, black interior, ganun. Tapos of course my girlfriend convinced me to get the Model Y. It's more practical, which is true naman. More space, a little bit more money, but more practical in the long run. Kasi you never know when you need the space, especially when you have luggage, stuff like that. But then, nakita ko sa, while waiting, actually dumating yung, dadating dapat yung car, first week of Feb, which is malapit na, while I'm doing this vlog, next week actually. But then again, how do you call it? I changed my mind. Why? Because when I was looking at the Tesla Facebook pages, dumating yung rear-wheel drive long range na Tesla Y, which was 2.5 something. Kasi 2.3 yung short range na rear-wheel drive Tesla Y. So, nakita ko yung long range. Sabi ko, maybe that's better, diba? 666 kilometer range. Realistically, maybe 620 around that, but still, right? Compared to yung 460? Tama ba? Mga ganun 466 kilometers. So, you can get the longer range na car. And, yun. So, I called my agent. Binigay na yung VIN number, guys. Binigay na yung VIN number. Pero at the same time, kala ko hindi na pwede palitan. They had to ask pa kung pwede ko palitan yung order ko kasi may VIN. So, inisip ko, baka hindi na pwede. Tapos, so what I did, instead of course, because the car was coming na, the initial order was coming na, you have to pay na the balance, diba? Kasi I paid the 200,000 down to order it. Tapos, you have to pay the balance, which basically I declined and said, I won't pay the balance and wait for somebody to get my initial order, which pumayag naman ng Tesla Philippines. So, my initial order na rear-wheel drive Tesla Y, basically kukunin na yan first week of Feb. So, I'm gonna get, yun na, I was decided na to get the Tesla Y long-range rear-wheel drive. And sabi ko, konti na lang, pwede ka na mag dual motor all-wheel drive. Which in reality, guys, hindi ko naman kailangan. Pero at the same time, konting cash na lang. Sabi ko, why not, di ba? Why not get the long range dual motor? What, 420 horsepower, 425, 510 Newton meters of torque, di ba? Dual motor. Of course, it's still rear wheel bias, I think. The dual motor only works on certain areas, let's say uphill or downhill, depending on when you need traction, just like any all-wheel drive car. So that's what basically basically what the all-wheel drive system is, right? It doesn't work all the time. When you need it lang, or when you really hold the car, when you press the the power, yan talaga gagana yung dual motor. So yun. So I decided on the Tesla Model Y all-wheel drive. Yan ang in-order ko, guys. So nangyari is yung 15,000 pesos na, how do you call it? Yung 15,000 pesos, wala na yun, yung first order. Basically, I cannot refund that. Hindi ko rin pwede ilipat sa second order ko. So wala na yun. I have to pay another 15. But yung 200,000 pesos, pwede ko i-transfer. Yan ang maganda. So transfer dun sa second order ko. So Tesla Y, dual motor, all-wheel drive. But white pa rin, black. But the good thing, because nung January, nag-update ang Tesla for the Y. So I'm gonna get the black headliner like this car. And the 16-inch from the 14.4-inch screen. Yun ang maganda doon. So may upgrade pa, di ba? May black headliner plus the 16-inch, which is not that big. 0.6 of an inch. But I guess the clarity of the screen will be better. So bonus na yun, di ba, na dumagdag. And also, because I also, nung sa first order ko, meron akong 43,000 peso discount. Ngayon, naging 63. Kasi because I'm getting a all-wheel drive, binigyan ako ng basically 50,000 cash discount plus the 13,000 when you do the online Tesla app, meron yan 13,000. So 63. I still get the free insurance for a year. I still get the 1 subscription, 1 month subscription, and the free charger, home charger, yung level 2. So I'm happy with that, guys. Actually, we don't need the all-wheel drive, right? It's just too much, how do you call it? Too much power. At the same time, you know what I mean? But at the same time, sabi ko, konti na lang. Baka, di ba, I might regret kasi konti lang dadagdag ko. I might regret on not getting, di ba, the all-wheel drive. So I got it. But I still got it in the basic white. I didn't want to pay for the extra. I wanted silver, but I don't think it's worth, di ba, yung 100,000+ for a silver color. Tapos I didn't want the 20-inch mags. I just wanted the 19-inch because guys, I already bought all the accessories, which I'll show you later when I come back in the condo. So, ang dami kong accessories na basically, na nilagay and basically binili. So, binili ko pa to December. So, imagine how long that was. That's a long time ago. So, yun. I bought the accessories, which is Spigen. I also bought, sabihin ko na, yung some parts from Shopee or Lazada. Then I also got Halo Block. It's basically the plastic rims. Yan ang kinuha ko. And I'll show you that later. Basta all the accessories papakita ko sa mamaya. Then I'll make another vlog when I do actually put it in the car. So pagas muna tayo, guys. So I'll see you in a bit, guys, when I go home. Pakita ko sa yung accessories. So that's the reason why I canceled my initial order. Okay, guys, so I'm back in the condo like I told you. Nauna pa yung accessories. So yung unang papakita ko sa inyo, which I'm gonna show you in the vlog when the car arrives and paano ko i-install. Sobrang dali. Actually, you can go on YouTube, guys, and check. So this is the Halo, is it Halo Block, I think they call it, the brand. Yan ang kinuha ko, guys. So because I got the Tesla Y na white and black. So, a lot of people get the black one of this. I got the white one para medyo mas retro style. White on white ang basically ang kinuha ko. So, yan. So, that's for the 19-inch cross-flow hubcaps. Yan. So, ito yung hubcaps. May tools dito. Sobrang dili lang. Gagamitin natin ito. So, you just push it. Tatanggalin mo yung tapos yan, magla-lock siya. It's actually very easy, guys, sa YouTube. So basically, you can do it yourself. Sobrang dali. It will take maybe 10 to 20 minutes to install. So 4 of that. Of course, 4 yung center caps yan, yung tool. Yan. Tapos dito, guys, this is for the trunk. para hindi mag-gas-gas. So I got this. So that long thing that when you put your luggage. Yeah. Then, Spigen accessories. Kasi Spigen, of course, as you know, I didn't even know that they do Tesla accessories. But this, I got this. Basically, di ba ito yung infotainment. Then dito yung parang magnetic siya. So I'll open this when the car arrives and I'll show you how to install. It's so easy. Under screen storage organizer. Ganyan yung itsura niya. So sa likod siya ng screen. Tapos may palinis ng screen. Of course. Then there's the tray. The tray for the front and the back. Yan, console. Yan, armrest console here and the console organizer sa front. Yan, Spigen. I think this cost, I don't know how much it cost. Medyo mahal kasi guys, meron ka pang delivery sa FedEx dito. They charge you also locally. Then I got the Spigen charging pad cover, black, of course, kasi black yung kinuha kong car. Then, of course, ang pinaka-importante is the display protector. So, this one is actually for the, what to? Ito yung for the front eh. I guess this is for the back screen. Yan o. Real gas. Yan. Madali lang naman i-install to guys. Super easy. Ayan, tama. The 8 inches. So that's for the back. From Spigen. Yan o. And this is for the front of the Tesla. So meron ganun. Tapos I think it's so easy to install this for a Tesla. Yan. Then, check mo na lang online sa Spigen guys kung magkano. This is the under seat tray. So, siguro when you're gonna put some shoes and stuff. Yan. Yan. Sa ilalim to ng seats sa front seats. Then, I also have guys para sa sa side ng trunk. But it's in the BYD. Papakita ko na lang sa inyo when I get the car. But yeah, initially that's what I got for accessories. And we're gonna install it when the car arrives. Hopefully end of Feb to early March, makukuha ko ng kotse. Yun guys, so that's the vlog. I did change my order but I did not cancel my order buying a Tesla. I still want the Tesla Y. But I also really like the Zeekr. Siguro as a second car guys, I'll get the Zeekr 7X all-wheel drive. So that's the vlog guys. I'll see you on my next vlog. Hopefully the car arrives now so I can do a lot of videos about the Tesla Y, especially the dual motor. Of course, most people would buy the rear-wheel drive short range. It's more practical talaga. I mean, you can't go wrong with those three options. Whether it's the long range, short range rear-wheel drive or the long range all-wheel drive. So, yun guys. I'll see you in my next vlog. Always take care. God bless.